Hey there, food lovers. Today we're taking a trip to Tamil Nadu, way down south in India, to check out a non-veg Virunthu. That's a super big party with lots of meat and fish dishes. Just picture a table piled high with colourful curries, fried goodies and rice, all served on a fresh banana leaf. The air smells amazing with all the spices, and you can hear everyone laughing. This isn't just eating a meal, it's like a big party for family, old traditions and everyone being together. Grandparents, parents and kids all gather, and everyone helps get the food ready. Aunties are grinding fresh spices, uncles are chopping veggies, and the kids are running around super excited. The Virunthu shows how welcoming people in Tamil Nadu are. Guests are treated like kings and queens, and every dish is made with tons of love. It's not just about the food, it's about telling stories, making new memories, and making your family ties even stronger. You can hear pans sizzling and happy chatter all over the house. This feast is like a big, warm hug, making everyone feel cozy and loved. We're going to dig into the secrets behind these famous dishes and see how much care goes into every single bite. You'll see how this old custom brings people closer, like weaving a beautiful blanket of connections. So grab a plate or a banana leaf and get ready to feel the happiness of a non-veg Virunthu. This is a party celebrating life, and it's all told through food. Let's find out the magic behind this amazing tradition. Get ready for a trip that will make your taste buds super happy. We're about to find out why this feast is a real treasure of Tamil culture. Pull up a chair and join the fun. The non-veg Virunthu is waiting for you. Let's start this yummy adventure together. It's going to be totally awesome. So what exactly is a Virunthu? In Tamil, it means a feast, but it's way more than just a big meal. It's for life's happiest times: weddings, festivals, family get-togethers, and new beginnings. A Virunthu is all about having lots of food, being super generous, and making every guest feel special. The table is overflowing with food, showing off how lucky and welcoming everyone is. The vibe is super festive, full of laughter and happiness. Forget about diets. Everyone just enjoys all the rich flavors. This tradition comes from really old Tamil culture, where being welcoming, called Virunthumbal, is super important. Sharing food is seen as a good thing, a way to show respect to guests and get good vibes back. For many, many years, the main idea has stayed the same: welcome people with open arms and a plate full of food. In today's busy world, a Virunthu is a great reason to reconnect, bringing different generations together and making the community stronger. Grandparents tell stories, neighbors become good friends, and everyone gathers around the same table. It's a party about being together, showing love, and the simple happiness of sharing a meal. The Virunthu reminds us that we're all part of something bigger. It's not just about the food, it's about feeling like you belong. That's what a Virunthu is really all about. Alright, now let's talk about the real stars of the show, the food. A non-veg Virunthu is like a showcase of Tamil Nadu's best dishes: spicy, tangy, rich and crispy, yummy stuff. Biryani is the king. It's fragrant rice cooked with super tender mutton or chicken, layered with spices and herbs. Mutton kujambu, a curry cooked slowly for a long time, just melts in your mouth with deep, amazing flavors. Chettinad chicken brings a fiery kick and amazing smelling spices. Fish fry, which is marinated, crispy and golden, is something you just have to try. Chicken 65 adds a crunchy, spicy punch. Every dish is made carefully to balance flavors and textures, so everyone finds something they love. The feast looks amazing and smells even better, with every plate telling a story. This is Tamil food at its most colorful and celebratory. Let's zoom in on Chettinad chicken, a real superstar dish from Tamil Nadu. This dish is famous for its bold, spicy flavors and a special mix of freshly ground spices. The secret? Chettinad masala, made from things like star anise, peppercorns, fennel and dried red chilies, all roasted and ground fresh. The chicken is marinated, then cooked slowly in this amazing smelling masala, making the whole kitchen smell incredible. Every bite is like an explosion of heat, warmth and earthy tastes. Served with rice or dosas, it's a highlight of any Virunthu. Chettinad chicken is a masterpiece. It's fiery, complex, and something you'll never forget. It's a dish that really wakes up your senses. At the very center of the Virunthu are two main dishes, mutton curry and biryani. Mutton kujambu is cooked slowly with spices and coconut, making the meat super tender and the gravy rich and comforting. Every family has its own secret recipe, so each curry tastes a little different. Biryani, especially the Dindigul style, uses a special kind of rice called siraga samba and is cooked with meat in a sealed pot, keeping all the flavor and smell locked in. The result is rice that smells amazing and tastes delicious, and meat that melts in your mouth. Biryani is like the most important jewel, served with onion raita and spicy brinjal gravy. These dishes are more than just food, they're symbols of celebration and pride. Serving them is a way of showing love and being welcoming. Together, they make an unforgettable feast. This is the true soul of a non-veg Virunthu. The magic of a non-veg Virunthu starts super early, with a trip to the market to get the freshest ingredients. The men pick out the best pieces of meat and fish, while baskets fill up with colorful vegetables and fragrant herbs. Back home, the kitchen is buzzing with activity. Everyone has a job, guided by the older women of the family. Spices are ground by hand, onions and garlic are chopped, and stories are shared as the dishes come together. Cooking is slow and careful, with curries simmering for hours and biryani cooked over a gentle flame. The kitchen becomes a place for connecting, laughing, and keeping traditions alive. When it's time to serve, banana leaves are laid out, and each dish is placed carefully. The leaf becomes like a canvas, filled with a rainbow of food. Serving is an art. Each portion is arranged to look good and taste even better. The excitement builds as the feast gets ready. This is more than just cooking. It's a celebration of family history. The Virunthu is a spectacular show of happiness, being together, and excitement. Every step is filled with love. When it's time to eat, old traditions take center stage. A small bit of food is set aside as an offering, and guests are always served first. The hosts always push you to have second helpings, making everyone feel special. Eating together on the floor, everyone is equal. Family, friends, and neighbors all together. Food is eaten with your right hand, which helps you really feel the textures and flavors of the meal. The air fills with laughter, stories, and the sounds of happy eating. Older folks share memories, cousins tell jokes, and friendships get stronger. Dessert comes next, a sweet payasam or fruit salad, ending the meal on a happy note. Guests fold their banana leaves to show they enjoyed the meal. They leave with happy hearts and a refreshed feeling of connection. The Virunthu is a celebration of everyone being together. All across Tamil Nadu, every Virunthu has its own special local twist. Feasts near the coast feature fresh seafood, like fish curries, prawn masalas, and crispy fried anchovies. Inland, in places like Madurai, mutton and chicken are the main stars with fiery mutton chukka and curry dosa. Each area uses its own local spices and cooking methods, making bold, unforgettable flavors. In Kongu Nadu, the dishes are a bit milder, with coconut and turmeric giving them unique textures and tastes. Palapalayam chicken with shallots and coconut is a local favorite there. The different kinds of dishes show how diverse the land and its people are. Every Virunthu is like a colorful quilt of flavors, shaped by where it is and its old traditions. This variety is what makes Tamil food so rich and exciting. No two feasts are ever exactly the same. As our journey comes to an end, remember, a non-veg Virunthu is more than just food. It's a celebration of love, community, and old traditions. The real magic is in how welcoming and generous everyone is. Hosts put their whole heart into every dish, finding joy in feeding others. Recipes are like family treasures, passed down from parents to children for generations. Cooking and eating together honors the past and keeps the culture alive. The Virunthu connects young and old, weaving together memories and family history. It's like a happy song, spices sizzling, curries bubbling, laughter ringing out. Sharing a meal becomes a powerful way to show love and feel like you belong. And that, my dear foodies, is what a non-veg Virunthu is truly all about.